Hello, everybody. Today, I'm gonna be reviewing and talking about if you should buy the Audio Technica ath-m50x GM headphones. Now, these headphones are considerably old. They've been out since January 2014, and I just bought them from Amazon yesterday. June 20th, 2022. And since these are such an old product, they are like about $100 or maybe even over that cheaper than they used to be when they first initially released. As far as I know, they're the highest out of the M something line. Like they have the M30 and then the M40. They're very comfortable. They have a good clamping power that they won't fall off your head. They come with two extra cords, which is very nice. They come with a carrying case, and they have excellent packaging, in my opinion. One thing that didn't age too well on these headphones is the completely plastic building materials. It's not doesn't feel very good. It feels fine on your head, but in your hands, it doesn't feel very good. The ear cups are leather, I think. They get sweaty if you're in a hot climate, which with my PC as my portable heater, my room gets very hot, so this might be a downside. I opted to get the gunmetal gray color. I wanted the black one, but this one was decent amount cheaper, about $30, I think. And I'd rather take an uglier color for that didn't match with my scheme as much and save money. So these are not my first high-end headphones. I have had the Sony WH-1000 XM4s, and I sold those to my brother, which is why I bought these because I have now bought if you can see in the background, the Sony Link Buds S. And I didn't want two Bluetooth headphones, so I opted to sell my old big headphones for earphones and buy some studio headphones. I have not worn these for more than 2 hours, and so far they feel very comfortable. I thought the clamping was a little harsh, but I have not felt any discomfort yet. And I'm gonna see how much of a head band mark it leaves on my hair later. With all that said, at this price point, there are a lot of options. You could go for the HyperX Cloud headphones. You could go for any of the Corsair headphones, which I have one of their $50 options, the HS50s. There's some Sennheiser headphones. I'm pretty sure you can get at this price range. The biggest competitor, I'm pretty sure, for this headphone is the DT770s, and those are said to be very comfortable. I've never tried them out personally, but I chose these because I like the look and I like the collapsibility for if I ever want to take it on long trips. Now, going off that same point, let's talk about some of the features. This thing has so much accesses that you can turn the ear cups. It's the most I've ever seen on large headphones before. It comes with a two extra cords. One is coiled and longer, and then one's a little smaller, maybe for if you're having a hard time packaging. It comes with a larger adapter for, I'm guessing, is audio interfaces. I'm very happy with the headphones. They sound very natural, and I would definitely recommend these headphones.